If you've been looking like me for where is the charging port on the Lenovo ThinkPad, I got a bit confused because you got this symbol on this port and you got a battery symbol on this USB port, and my charger doesn't match neither of them. And I was thinking I got the wrong charger. Well, I checked and it's not the wrong charger, it's the right charger. I just the wrong place of the charging port. The right place is right there, right next to the battery on there. That's Lenovo ThinkPad W540, but it should be okay for another ThinkPads as well.